Asibonge ma-Afrika, sibonge Madala Umkhonto, sibonge izisebenzi zomkhonto ngoba nginithatha njengezisebenzi zomkhonto. Asibonge amazwi aqhamukayo futhi asilungise noma sigcizelele kula mazwi aphumayo. Akukho thina besukubheli, kungakho sasuma ngenyawo kwasekuqaleni sathi lo khona ongasahambi kahle ngoba sasingenandaba, sasinendaba zama-position kodwa sasinendaba yokuthi umkhonto wesizwe mawusebenze ngendlela ekwakheni noma ekubuyiseni isithunzi somuntu omnyama e-Afrika, ubuyise isisekelo nesithunzi somzabalazo womuntu omnyama ukuze kulunge izwe lethu. Kodwa kuvele kwenzeka nje njengoba esho ama-comrades la eGauteng kwaba inhlekisa. Singeke kufihleke bafowethu nodadewethu Madala kufa umkhonto ama-Ground Force ukuthi ibhodi bese liphekwe kakhulu selivuthwa. Umfowethu lo sokhishiwe umnyango bese efakwe phakathi waba-captured ukuthi kuxoveke eGauteng, asikufihli-ke nje lokho. And ukuba ama-Ground Force nalento esiyiyona esiqalile i-Cadres Assembly ibingekho ngabe kudala iphila indaba kajantshi bafaka labo phoyizini babo ngoba kungcolile la kule province bethu. Kube se-out ngoba kudala ipheka kodwa nje izithiyo noma abantu ade benza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi basheshe babe quick apply lo sathane wabo ithina i-Cadres Assembly kanye ma-Ground Forces wonke zaseGauteng. Ngiyakubonga kakhulu Comrade Veli uthi udlale i-political midfield with your honest and effective pure leadership. Sinibonge nonke ma-comrade ukuthi noma sinibiza sithi wozani asihlanganeni kuyonakala lana akhombisa ukuba positive. Akukho muntu esimzonda kodwa sisonda amanyala, inkohlakalo nosathane nobulwane obuvelela kubafowethu abangaphakathi enhlanganweni. Into esizele endlane emkhiphi seza voluntary, seza sine-hope ngoba sidonswa 1 i-ideology, 2 i-vision, 3 ngama-pillars ayo, 4 ngama-policies. Altogether, the political content of MKP, it was the greatest, most elements that create and arouse interest, which forced us to be part of the MKP. So akukho umuntu esimzondayo simthandayo kodwa nje singayifunda amanyala ukuthi sinzwe iy'ngane kudlalwe ngathi lento abayenza prior ngo-2024 sasazi kwakungeke kuhambe wonke umuntu kodwa-ke kwakufoneka kudlalwe a-clean slate kahle nje. Baphinda-ke futhi bazofaka sebehambile-ke laphuzeni ufile phela masikhuluma iqiniso nje ifili i-revolution yethu lapha ku-legislature umdlalo nje. Asizazi noma siku-opposition bench noma siyi-regime okwamanje sifana nama-decorators. That is why ama-parties afana no-EFF na-uGogo no-DA kuthiwa we are just an empty tin that make noise because of them there. So-ke ngiyanibonga akukho muntu kodwa nje sinibonga kakhulu le role enidlala ujantshi ubese iphelile indaba yakhe kodwa nje osekusele ngabe kudala be-pronounce-ile bamsusa kodwa ngenxa yokuthi besikhona it was very difficult and bokuzonyiwa ukuba bake bakuzama nje lokho buzonyiwa kakhulu. So-ke siyanibonga kakhulu bafethu, asiyibambeni kanjalo. Akukho any position esiwalandelayo kodwa silandela ukuthi mayiqonde inhlangano ibe nesithunzi ibe nomsebenzi ewubekelwe. Namfowethu loyo siyathemba ngeke bayishiye inhlangano ngoba besuswe ezikhundleni bazoqhubeka nje sibe nabo ngoba alikho iphutha uba i-ordinary member ube dedicated ekusebenzeni inhlangano with honest as we did njengadala sikhona la kuma-Ground Forces. Asiqhubekeni-ke ma-Afrika ma-committee sibeni focus, akusetshenzwe kungavidiyo, akusetshenzwe kuma-branches. Senza la comrade ngenye ilanga sengathi ngifuna ukwenza isibonelo sithi silwela noma siboshwe uHappy sithi sifuna belapha kwi-party list ngoba sibona i-potential bese kuthiwa hayi i-video yakhe ne-brand bathi asimazi lo muntu akaparticipate indawo. Ngeke sikwazi ukulwela sikuphushe ikuphikise ivideo yakho ne-brand yakho ithi you are nowhere. So-ke kube nathi asikho honest. So-ke kubalulekile comrade ngoba sithi amandla aphansi. Ayikho-ke imoto eqala ngogiya number 5 kodwa zonke imoto ziqala ngogiya number 1. Ugiya-ke ignition start-ke ividiyo. Ugiya-ke number 1 i-branch. So-ke kubalulekile sibe khona-ke kulezo ndawo sisebenze with effective. I usually preach several times. Awungeke nize nibe 1000 niyahlangana kwi-beat nami besiqala kanjalo sibe 4 5 sihlale bangezi basithuka bakhumuzeni siqhubeke sidiscuss ama-matters organization sifocus nje kuma-policies nama-pillars siqhubeke senza ama-programs la sithi siyaphambili simile but siyawagcina wona ama-attendance register. Ngeke ufike nje sofika uzosiphaphela sothi wena ubani uphuma kuphi nansi attendance register. So-ke ayihlale phansi bathi-ke ngolimi olulula lowo politiki igeja liphansi alibeni phansi-ke maqabane asibonke simbongele kakhulukazi nomfowethu uJantshi ukuthi useze wavikeleka ngoba ubehlaselwe left and right hlabanye kade bengazi kodwa nje yena besekhishiwe ukuthi nje kuphela bese kusatshwa nje thina inhlanya zama-ground forces ney'nhlanya zama-cadres asem sizobathinda abantu kungekhona lapha phezulu proper detachment kuza phansi ku-regional kuza la kule angazi ibizwa ngani lenithiwa SSR kodwa nje ngenxa yokuthi simele iqiniso cha sinimele ngempela. So-ke futhi nakhona akho umuntu esimzonda kodwa sizonda nje amanyala. Hhayi-ke qhubeke nangijabulisa kakhulu nakhombisa isibindi neqiniso nobuntu no-understand umzabalazo noma senithunyelwe kuthiwa i-fake news kodwa naqhubeka neze ibambeni kanjalo ma-comrades. Siyabonga kakhulu uJehova emuhle abe nani ngezikhathi zonke. Uqhubeke umkhonto wethu uye phambili wakhe imakhi enhle njengaseku-local government. Ngeke kuyakhe imakhi enhle sile phezulu noma sikhini kakhulu la ku-social network uyowakha imakhi enhle ne-positive ngoba sisebenza phansi kuma-ground forces nakuma-branches. I thank you.
Sanibonani leadership, sanibonani ma-comrade nonke nginihloniphile. Mina ngizothi kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo ngizofaka nje a word of advice ukuthi let's not rejoice ukuthi mhlambe kuphume bani kungena bani kwenzakalani. We all here to fight for a revolution, and I will advise all of you comrades ukuthi here if you join MK zithathe njengokuthi ujoyine MK for a revolution, not for a seat, to occupy a seat or to be in a position. By the look of things, mina from my opinion, and I stand to be corrected, comrade, we don't have to rejoice ngokuthi kuphuma bani kungena bani kuphuma bani kungena bani. Let us fight for into eyiqiniso ekuyi-revolution. Yeah, understand the comrades. So if we celebrate ukuphuma komuntu kwi-seat, it's like kuloyo muntu loyo simlimaza kokugqina simphula amandla ngokuthi ngathi we were against him. Uyabona, kanti it's not like that. We are not against anyone here. Thina silwela i-revolution. So asisubmitheni to into eyenzakalayo and then do the right thing, comrade. So now we are running out of time sibhekana nama-election and yonke lento eyenzakalayo. So if ever sinikezwa umuntu omusha ukuthi nangu umholi wenu uzonihola kwinto so let us sivumelane naye sisebenzisane naye sibone ukuthi siyakuphi phambili, and then naye ongenayo angabi so comfortable, angabi so happy, abone abantu babhiyoza bajabule ukuthi okay naku kungena umuntu kanjena, because that thing on its own iyayilimaza kancane inhlangano. So ngiyacela comrades ukuthi masisebenzeleni umkhonto wesizwe, masisebenzeleni le revolution ukuthi siye phambili, because nobaba wayichaze kahle ukuthi la ningabheki ihlalo, ningayi-waste imali yenu. Wayichaza from ekusasa ekuseni ka meso a ihlalo santatori ska la kenya ditšhelete tsa lona la etsang le ditso tsa gore le tlo batla go thola something in return. A re sebeletseng motho motsho gore a be right, wa utlwisisa. So we need to work for us ukuthi sibe right, not for omunye umuntu. We don't have to rejoice ukuthi kuphume bani, we don't have to nokuthi siswabe ukuthi okay manje ubani uphumile. Loko okuyi-2 loko angiboni kuzosebenzela thina. Let's focus kwi-revolution ukuthi siyaphi nge-revolution. Asiloleni ukuthi impumelelo for umuntu omnyama, irrespective ukuthi uyamthanda or amthandi or yini or isihlobo sakho, but masilobeleni i-revolution comrades. But ngoba lento ukuthi sizothi hey sifuna bani or hey asifuni bani izosiholda back to ilento esibhekile. Let's fight for into esibhekile. Into esibhekile thina la sijoyinele ini umkhonto wesizwe i-revolution, asijoyinelanga omunye umuntu. So if ever ama-comrades angabona nje ukuthi isihlalo la kwa-MKP asikho, mawusitholile intonyana yesikhashana, is 2 minutes noodles. So it is important ukuthi mawusitholile njengoba sowubonile ukuthi abantu kuyachintshwa i-leadership yachintshwa, yenza into right masowungenile, yenza into right for everybody, not for idlanzana labantu ukuthi abafowethu or amachomi wami in yenza into right for everybody. I think if ever umuntu ayenza into right for everybody, it's not gonna be easy ukuthi uphume esihlalweni or wenze njani, uyabona. So comrades, I don't know ukuthi niyangizwisisa. What I'm trying to say ukuthi let's focus kwinto eyi-1, because now masizofocus ukuthi sifuna bani asifuni bani izosdisturba lento ukuthi silwele lento esiyifunayo, because manje uyabona ukuthi siyaphazamiseka, into eningi siyaphazamiseka comrades. So that was my take namhlanje, ukuthi ngiveze umbono wami ukuthi asibambaneni silwele into eyi-1, kungabi nokuthi hey bani hey in comrades. I submit comrades, and I'm not fighting ukuthi kwenzakalani. Don't get me wrong, let's fight sonke silwele i-revolution, senze into eyi-1, silwele i-revolution, singabheki loku naloku ekuseceleni. I submit comrades.
Comrade. comrade. Yabona la comrade bese kufunakala a leader, la bese kufunakala a patriot la. So utholakele, even myself I was asking myself ukuthi ubani ozosiyela, sizothuma bani? But now egcineni the chess master has done it. And I said this before, comrades. I said uMncwango, he was not the right man to steer the ship into the right direction, I changed my statement before. My statement that I raised during his appointment when he succeeded, Floyd, I said this man is the right man because he knew the constitution MK. When I heard him ecula the constitution, I said this guy is the right man. And in my comrade doesn't mean ukuthi uma ngabe uhlakaniphile, if you are a good narrator of any story, bese sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe when it comes to revolution you'll do the same. No, maybe somewhere else kwi-corporate industry uyafitha lapha, but la sikwi-revolution. la sekwe-revolution. And okokuqala, yabona this man, he made a huge mistake. He was supposed to swept out all those rebels awaficile in his office when Floyd was when he succeeded Floyd, when he was appointed, because Floyd ushiye kungcolile, ushiye kunuka. He was supposed to clean out everything. Zonke lezi zinto asitholile zika Floyd ezibeke uFloyd emashelfini kwakufanele azikhiphe zonke azilahlele ngaphandle, that now I'm a new SG. I'm going to sweep. Yonke into, detachment, everything. Aqale phansi abeka ama-structures amahle. Sibone ukuthi no, he's working. But yena wahlala wafolda izandla, wajika nesitulo, wabhala incwadi. So that was not an SG. Sikaze simbone even nakwi-media briefing. No. Even the state of what you call of MK, asikaze sisizwe ngaye. Hi, come on, my comrade. The guy has let us down kakhulu. So thank you so much for him. Ukuthi ahamba aphuma ahamba enhlanganweni. Aphuma enhlanganweni noma bamkhiphe. Man, I say thank you so much. He has done his faults. Akahambe la kuka MK la. Lana appointiwa sizokushayela izandla, which means we are giving you support. But once wabheda, we don't care about you. Noma ngathiwa isitimela siyagxoba, we don't care. We will never rescue you. So all these people abasibusa ngenkani, nabo their day, it will come. Their day will come, seriously. So nje, let's hope usibonele Nomvalo, he will do this. I mean, he will do the right thing. And I trust him. Not because he's an advocate, but I trust him. Akasihole uNomvalo. Laba phezulu laba kuthiwa mhlambe bayini i-National High Command or whoever, or i-National Detachment, ngeke baze bamthinte. Yabona manje, it's time to back our true leaders. It's time to give them support, our true leaders. We are tired of all these people ababekiwe esingabazi babekwa kanjani, abadla inhlangano ngamazinyo. Because these people, they are grinding the organization, they are chewing the organization, and they are spitting every yonke into poison ayifaka la kwi-organization. So let's hope uNomvalo is going to do the right thing, and he's going to do the right thing. Recently nje SG uvumbuke esikhaleni emalangeni, wavumbuka esethi Viva Msholozi ehamba nabanye abantu. Singamazi ukuthi ufike kanjani la eGoli. Bhathi ligcwala umoya manje. Bahambe. Sayincenga manje, siyasala sayincenga. Bazophuma bonke labanye. Basazophuma nabanye. Basazophuma. I-organization ethi ibolile from le phezulu until uyofika phansi kuma-sub-regions. It's because of u-SG akazange achanele. He was supposed to sweep everything. Kanti uyancenga yini uma ufuna ukuzosebenza? Because awuncengi uma ufuna ukuzosebenza. Awuncengi. Yonke into iyajulukelwa. Mina I always tell people, I'm proud of who I am. Yonke into engiyenza ngayijulukela. So nje, you know what ne? I don't beg anything. So nje naye mangabe but uNomvalo is going to do well. But uMncango must go home and rest and try to do something and venture maybe into something, maybe my businesses and stuff like that. Yeah, but yeah, there are a lot of things esishiwo ngaye ngale ngakubo kwamaphumulo. Yeah. So nje akahamba olungisa amacala wakhe, ahlale phansi, abe indoda right. Thina siqhubeke ne-revolution. mayefuna sihlangane ku-X sohlangana ku-X siyovotela umkhonto wesizwe sonke. Sina sozala siyinceka ngapha. Mandla.